Today, I'm going to walk you through a simple way to upload and embed videos right onto your WordPress website, whether you're sharing your own footage or embedding content from YouTube or Vimeo. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to get your videos playing for visitors, and you'll feel confident about choosing the best method for your needs. Let's jump straight in. First, if you're planning to upload your own video files, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. This is your website's control center where everything happens. Once you're in, navigate to Media and then click Add New. Alternatively, if you're already working on a post or page, you can begin there instead. WordPress makes it easy either way. Now, to upload your video, simply drag your video file into the upload box. You'll see the box light up as you drag, which is a nice confirmation that you're doing it right. If you'd rather browse for your file, just click Select Files. This opens a window to your computer, letting you look for your video wherever it's saved. Don't worry if uploading takes a few moments, especially if your video file is large. WordPress is handling all the behind-the-scenes work to store and process your media securely. Once your video file is in the media library, it's time to add it to your post or page. Open up the editor for your post or page and look for the little plus icon. This brings up the block inserter. Search for video and select the video block. Blocks are WordPress's way of neatly packaging content so you can arrange things easily. With the video block in place, choose Media Library, locate your video and hit Select. The video instantly appears embedded right where you want it. Take a quick look at the preview to make sure everything looks good. Almost done. Just hit Update or Publish on your post or page and your video is live. Visitors can now watch right on your site and you get the satisfaction of seeing your content in action. But what if your video is on YouTube or Vimeo? This brings us to method 2, which is a great option if you want to avoid hosting big video files yourself. First, hop over to YouTube or Vimeo and find your video. Click Share and copy the shareable URL. It's usually just a click away. Back in your post or page editor, add a video block just like before. This time, choose the option to Insert from URL. Paste the link you copied and WordPress will automatically embed the player, no extra code or settings needed. It's a fuss-free solution, and it keeps your website speedy because you're not storing huge video files directly on your own hosting. Let me offer a couple of quick tips here. If your video file is really large, consider sticking with YouTube or Vimeo embedding. This keeps your site running fast and helps you avoid any hosting limits or extra costs. For self-hosted videos, the media library method works well, but always be mindful of your web space. The block editor is your best friend here. Experiment with positioning the video block to make your content look as polished as possible. And that's it. Whether you want to upload your own video or share videos from external platforms, WordPress makes it surprisingly easy. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to give the video a like. Drop a comment below if you have questions or if you ran into any snags. I'm happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy uploading.